We're going to walk you through a 6L80 teardown and just a inspection of what happened to it. So enjoy. All the aluminum in the pan there. That aluminum in the pan is from the rivets and the converters coming loose. And then it goes right through the pump and tears up usually the stator and the bell housing of the pump. Valve body removed. We'll go ahead and set that aside for disassembly later. So you can see where the metal went through the stator side of the pump, where the rotors are. That'll have to be machined. It'll need a new set of paddles, rotor, vanes. All of that will get replaced. can actually see in there where it's chewed up pretty bad as well. Just more metal going through the pump. Not bad enough to cause it to not work. So we're still going to see something else in here that's worse. Four, five, six frictions. Look pretty good. That wasn't the culprit. That's burnt pretty bad. There's your forward clutch. It's tore up pretty bad. As you can tell, all the steels are discolored and blue. That one was pretty bad. I was looking to see if I could see anything weird in there. Intermediate, not bad. So I don't think anything bad enough to cause this not to work. So it had to have been a converter failure in this unit. But as you can see, you could not have just went in there and put a converter in because the forwards were already hurt. If you do put a converter in it just to get by, it's just a Band-Aid. It's not going to fix it permanently. So knowing all the issues these have, this is the correct call. that's it. That's your 6L. Substations will get tore down more, drums and all, but that's just the basics of the 6L teardown. Done.